realized during lockdown, it's a great opportunity to spring clean your house. Just get into all those little corners that you normally don't have time for, or go through the cupboards and get rid of things that you don't really need anymore. This meditation feels a little bit like spring cleaning yourself. We're going to visualize breathing in a pure white light and breathing out a sort of dark, grey, smoggy smoke. And as we do that, we can almost think of ourselves breathing in everything that we want more of. So love, inspiration, happiness, joy, and breathing out everything that we want to let go of. So I know that we all hang on to sort of feelings and thoughts and emotions from the past, but sometimes they don't really serve us. So to be able to let go of those things is a real blessing. Then you can just move forward and feel lighter and brighter. So let's sit comfortably together with your hands in your lap, your neck straight, your spine straight. And just settle, relax. Gently close your eyes. Just take a moment for your body to settle down. Notice the natural state of your body. And then bring your attention to the natural state of your breath. Not judging it, just allowing it to be as it is. The rise and the fall of the breath. Coming and going, easy and as it is. If your mind wanders, just gently bring it back to the breath. The sensations of the natural breath flowing in and out. If there are sounds, thoughts, or sensations, just allow them to be there and come back to the feeling of the breath. You can feel it in your nostrils or the back of your throat or in your belly. Or you can feel it moving all the way down and up. Or as a wave moving up and down the body. Whatever feels best for you. Now we're going to start to imagine that we're breathing in a beautiful, bright, white light. Breathing it into our nostrils. And as we exhale, we're exhaling some dark grey smoke. So we inhale the beautiful light and exhale the dark smoke. Every time we're breathing in this beautiful white light, it fills our body with a lightness, a brightness. And every time we exhale this dark smoke or smog, we're letting go of something that we don't need anymore. Maybe they're old emotions or feelings. It could be beliefs that are no longer true. Or opinions or ideas that no longer serve you. As you inhale the light and exhale the smoke, you can feel your body becoming brighter and lighter. You can feel yourself becoming filled with a natural sense of joy and peace. And then when you feel ready, you can let go of this image. Just imagine your body filled with white light. And then relax the mind. Coming back to any sensations that may be present in the body. And then when you feel ready, you can just gently in your own time, start to open your eyes. Thank you for joining me for meditation today. I hope that you have a wonderful day. The light in me recognizes the light in you. Namaste.